Hi, Bud Pike here. I just wanted to ask you, what do you do when you get home with the grocery store or farmer's market and you're getting ready to do something with your vegetables and whatnot? Well, you probably just do what everybody does. Come over here and you rinse them off, but you know that there's been bugs and other people handling them and so forth. But just think about it. We got that water. And this water down here going down the drain. I want you to think about that. You just rinsed off your fresh vegetables, which are porous, by the way, with your tap water. That's probably got all kinds of stuff in it. Pharmaceutical drugs, chlorine, fluoride, all of that kind of stuff. So essentially, you've just made the water that's going down your drain cleaner than the water that you washed your food with. Kind of eerie, isn't it? Because your food's porous. So if I was to take that water that we just took in those glasses and do a test on it, it's going to have less chloride, less everything. All that is in your food because your food is porous and you just use your food as a filter for the water going down your drain. What my point? You need to think about getting one of these guys. Kangen Water. Thank you.